Welcome back to the forefront of automotive innovation, where today we are witnessing a monumental shift in the world of sustainable adventure. For years, the dream of a fully electric recreational vehicle has been hampered by concerns over range, charging infrastructure, and the sheer weight of traditional camper builds. However, the tides are turning in 2026, and a legendary name in the conversion industry has just dropped a project that could very well be the sprinter killer we have all been waiting for. Colorado Campervan, a company renowned for pushing the boundaries of what is possible with off-road and high-roof conversions, has officially unveiled their latest masterpiece, a fully transformed BrightDrop 600 electric van equipped with their signature pop-top roof. This isn't just another weekend project, it is a proof of concept that proves electric delivery vans are the future of the nomadic lifestyle. To understand why this build is such a game changer, we first have to look at the foundation. The BrightDrop 600, produced by General Motors, was originally designed as the Zevo 600 to revolutionize the logistics and delivery sector. It is a massive machine, stretching over 24 feet in length and offering a staggering 600 cubic feet of interior cargo space. Built on GM's proprietary Ultium platform, the same high-tech architecture that powers the Hummer EV and the Silverado EV, the BrightDrop brings heavy-duty electric performance to a segment that has been dominated by diesel engines for decades. Colorado Campervan saw this blank canvas and realized that the very features making it a great delivery vehicle, its flat floor, vertical walls, and immense volume, also make it the ultimate platform for a luxury mobile home. The standout feature of this specific build is the integration of a massive pop-top roof. Now, you might wonder why a van that is already tall enough for most people to stand in would need a pop-top. The answer lies in the philosophy of maximizing every square inch of the living environment. By adding a pop-top to the BrightDrop 600, Colorado Campervan has effectively created a two-story apartment on wheels. This modification allows for a dedicated sleeping loft upstairs, which frees up the entire main floor for a sprawling kitchen, a full bathroom with a shower, and a high-end lounge area. It solves the age-old campervan dilemma of having to choose between a fixed bed or a seating area. Here, you get both, and you get them in a package that remains aerodynamically efficient when the roof is lowered for highway travel. Engineering a pop-top for an electric vehicle of this size is no small feat. The roof of the BrightDrop is a massive expanse of composite materials and metal, and Colorado Campervan had to ensure that the structural integrity of the vehicle remained intact while cutting out a significant portion of the ceiling. Their proprietary pop-top system is designed to be rugged and weather-resistant, utilizing heavy-duty canvas and high-quality seals to keep the elements out. When deployed, it transforms the silhouette of the van into a beacon of modern camping, offering panoramic views of the surroundings from the upper bunk. This is particularly appealing for those who enjoy waking up to mountain vistas or beach sunsets without having to step outside into the morning chill. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor, the BrightDrop 600 boasts an impressive battery array that provides a range of over 250 miles on a single charge. For the average RVer, this range is more than sufficient for a day of exploration between campsites. But the real magic of using an EV for camping is the onboard power. Because the van is essentially a massive rolling battery, owners can tap into that energy to power high-draw appliances like induction cooktops, air conditioning units, and water heaters without ever needing to carry propane or run a noisy generator. This all-electric lifestyle is the holy grail for many van lifers who want to minimize their environmental impact while maximizing their comfort in remote locations. Colorado Campervan has also focused on the drivability of this behemoth. Despite its size, the BrightDrop 600 is surprisingly nimble thanks to its low center of gravity and the instant torque provided by its electric motors. With all-wheel drive capabilities, it is more than capable of handling Forest Service roads and slippery trailheads, making it a viable option for those who prefer to skip the crowded RV parks in favor of more secluded spots. The interior of the van is whisper quiet while moving, a stark contrast to the rattling and roaring of a traditional diesel camper. This silence enhances the travel experience, allowing passengers to enjoy the sounds of nature or have a normal conversation without shouting over engine noise. The interior layout possibilities for a van with 600 cubic feet of space are nearly endless. In this build, we see a focus on high-end finishes and modern aesthetics. The walls are lined with premium insulation and custom cabinetry that utilizes every nook and cranny for storage. Because the BrightDrop has such vertical walls, the overhead storage is significantly more spacious than what you would find in a curved wall van like a Mercedes Sprinter. This allows for a more home-like feel, with deep drawers and full-size countertops that make long-term living not just possible, but incredibly comfortable. Colorado Campervan's expertise in custom builds means that every aspect of the interior can be tailored to the specific needs of the adventurer, whether they are a solo digital nomad or a family of 4. As we look toward the future, the partnership between high-end converters like Colorado Campervan and electric platforms like BrightDrop signals a new era for the industry. We are moving away from the era of compromise. No longer do we have to choose between a large, comfortable RV and an environmentally friendly vehicle. The BrightDrop 600 camper shows that we can have a massive, feature-rich home on wheels that produces 0 tailpipe emissions and offers a superior driving experience. It's a bold statement that the electric transition isn't just for commuter cars, it's for the explorers, the dreamers, and the road warriors who want to see the world without leaving a trace. In conclusion, Colorado Campervan truly have outdone themselves with this BrightDrop 600 conversion. By taking one of the most advanced electric platforms on the market and adding their world-class pop-top technology, they have created a vehicle that stands in a class of its own. It's a testament to American ingenuity and an exciting glimpse into the next decade of van life. Whether you're attracted to the massive interior space, the high-tech electric drivetrain, or the sheer coolness of a 2-story EV camper, there is no denying that this build has set a new high bar for the industry. The road ahead is electric, and thanks to innovators like these, it has never looked more inviting.